Hi everybody, my name's Justin Murray from the Murray team at Remax Bayside Properties, and welcome to 68 Beveridge Road, Thornlands. We've got an acreage property here. In fact, we've got 4 acreage properties that all align along here, totaling over 21 acres, and all of them back directly onto the Moreton Bay waters here. Currently there's a mooring business going on, bringing boats in and out of the water from the Moreton Bay, storing boats down here on the right hand side. There's even a recreational boat ramp down the end there for the weekend guys to go fishing, and there's ample opportunity and space here for boats and trailer storage facilities as well. The zoning on this property is marina industry. It's very rare and is probably one of the last, if not last, chances in southeast Brisbane to turn into a marina development. Let's go have a look. So we work on the Brisbane Bar Tides here to ensure we know what time is best for the boat to come in and get moored out of the water. Right now it's just over 2 metres draft. Let's go through and have a look at one coming out right now. Besides the income of mooring boats out of the water and the charges of storing their boats on the actual premises, you've got access to a boat ramp out here. Perfect for the fishing guys. Straight out here and beyond the mangroves, it's beautiful fishing. Go take a look. One of the key features of this acreage property for the marina development is car park facilities. The provision out here is huge. We've got the size of a football field out here that will hold ample cars and trailers for storage and security while they're out there on the water having a great time. It's a key feature, and the more people you can have out here, the more business you're going to get. So some last features of the property are that it's got 4 residential homes already established here on the properties. You've got a big 2-storey home, 2 front low sets at the front, and then you've got this 4th low set here that's got public toilets here for services to anybody who needs to use them. Behind here is a massive workshop facilities as well. Thanks for watching. My name's Justin Murray, and if you're genuinely interested, we would love to hear from you because there's ample and oodles more information we can give. My family can't wait to see your family here on site, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.